In the world of dating and romance, finding the perfect opening line to approach someone can be a nerve-wracking experience, especially for guys. But what if there was a way to attract a woman without even uttering a single word? Believe it or not, it is possible to create a connection through nonverbal cues and gestures. In this video, we will explore some effective techniques that can help you catch a woman's attention without saying anything. Eye contact. Imagine back to those times when you really liked someone and you couldn't help but steal glances at them from across the room. You didn't need to say a word. Your eyes did all the talking. Eye contact, this superpower of nonverbal communication, can be an amazing way to get a woman's attention. It's like a secret language that allows you to connect with her on a deeper level without uttering a single word. Let's delve into the art of using eye contact to attract her. You might wonder, how do I know if she's interested in me too? Well, it's not as tricky as it seems. When you catch her looking back at you, that's a good sign. If she maintains eye contact and doesn't quickly glance away, it means she's intrigued by you. It's like a little spark igniting between you both. On the other hand, if you keep trying to catch her eye but she seems oblivious and doesn't return the gaze, don't lose hope just yet. She might just be shy or preoccupied, so be patient. When you find yourself in one of those nerve-wracking moments where your heart beats faster than a hummingbird's wings, take a deep breath. Yes, it's normal to feel anxious when you're trying to catch her attention, but don't worry, you can handle it. Confidence is attractive, so stand tall and smile warmly. A genuine smile can do wonders. It shows that you're approachable, friendly, and interested. Now, let's talk about the magic of prolonged eye contact. When you lock eyes with someone, something enchanting happens. It's as if you create an invisible connection and time seems to slow down. In those fleeting moments, you're saying, "Hey, I see you, and you're important to me." It's a silent invitation to start a conversation or share a moment together. Remember, the eyes can reveal a lot about your emotions and intentions. Be mindful of sending the right signals. Steer away from intense or creepy stares. Instead, let your eyes express kindness, warmth, and understanding. You're not trying to hypnotize her. You're aiming to make her feel comfortable and intrigued. So go ahead, give it a try, and let your eyes work their magic. Social proof. Besides using eye contact to catch her eye, there's another smart way to get a woman's attention. Social proof. Social proof means showing her that other people, especially women, like being around you. When you have friends or are in the company of others, it sparks her curiosity and makes her wonder what makes you special. But remember, it's essential to strike a balance and not overdo it, or it might come across as showing off instead of being genuinely attractive. Think of it like this. When you see a group of people gathered around something or someone, you can't help but feel curious, right? It's the same with women. When they see you surrounded by other women or just people in general, it creates that sense of intrigue. They might think, why do these other women enjoy his company? What's so appealing about him? But here's the key. Don't go around trying to impress every woman by bragging about your popularity. That won't work and might even turn them away. Instead, be genuine and friendly with everyone, including your female friends. Treat them with respect, listen to what they have to say, and have a good time together. Imagine going to an event or a party with a few female friends. Enjoy each other's company, laugh, and have fun. When other women notice how you treat your friends and see the positive interactions, they will naturally become more curious about you. It's like showing, not telling, that you're a great person to be around. Nonverbal banter. Imagine being at a social gathering surrounded by people chatting and laughing. How can you stand out and capture a woman's interest without saying a word? Nonverbal banter might just be the captivating trick you need. Engaging in playful nonverbal exchanges can leave her curious and intrigued, wondering what makes you so charming. In social settings, you don't always need fancy pickup lines or witty jokes to break the ice. Instead, try a lighthearted approach that surprises her, like making a funny face or using playful gestures. The key is to be spontaneous and catch her off guard in a delightful way. But here's the thing. Nonverbal banter shouldn't make you appear like a clown desperately seeking attention. It's all about striking the right balance. Show her that you're confident and comfortable enough to play around, but also demonstrate that you have depth and substance. Appearance. When it comes to attracting women, your appearance can make all the difference. Think about it. The first time you meet someone, What do you notice? It's often their appearance that catches your eye, right? So, making sure you present yourself well is crucial to leave a positive and lasting impression. One of the fundamental aspects of grooming is maintaining your facial hair. Whether you prefer a clean shave or a well-groomed beard, it's essential to keep it neat and tidy. A well-kept appearance shows that you take pride in yourself and pay attention to the details. Another vital factor in your appearance is how you smell. A pleasant scent can be incredibly attractive and inviting. A light spritz of cologne or a fresh-smelling body wash can go a long way in making you more appealing to the ladies. However, even the most stylish look won't work if you don't carry yourself with confidence. Confidence is like a magnet that draws people in, and women find it incredibly attractive. Stand tall, walk with purpose, and maintain eye contact when you interact with her. It shows that you believe in yourself and your abilities. In conclusion, your appearance plays a significant role in attracting women and making a positive first impression. Grooming yourself well, maintaining a pleasant scent, and exuding confidence can enhance your overall attractiveness. However, remember that it's not just about looks. Being genuine and respectful are equally important in building meaningful connections. Body language. Did you know that you communicate more than just words? Your body language is a powerful tool that can attract women without you even saying a single sentence. When you display positive body language, it sends a message of self-assurance and confidence, qualities that women find incredibly appealing. First and foremost, stand tall and proud. Imagine a superhero with a strong and commanding presence. That's how you should carry yourself. Square your shoulders, and don't be afraid to take up space. When you stand with confidence, it shows that you believe in yourself and your abilities. Engage with those around you. Make eye contact and show genuine interest in what they have to say. Active listening and being present in the moment are incredibly attractive traits. When you give your attention to someone, it makes them feel valued and appreciated. Avoid slouching or fidgeting, as these habits can convey insecurity or nervousness. Instead, maintain a relaxed yet composed posture. Being comfortable in your own skin and not fidgeting shows that you are at ease with yourself in the situation. When you walk, do it with purpose and confidence. Imagine walking towards your goals. Each step is deliberate and sure. Your movements should exude a natural swagger, a self-assuredness that reflects your inner confidence. Avoid rushing or shuffling your feet. Instead, move with poise and grace. Remember, body language is a language of its own. It's a way of communicating your feelings and emotions without uttering a single word. So the next time you find yourself in a social setting or meeting someone new, pay attention to your body language. Stand tall, engage with those around you, and walk with purpose and confidence. Let your body speak volumes about the strong, self-assured person you are, and watch as women are naturally drawn to your magnetic presence. We've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed it, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to check other videos on our playlist. We've got some amazing contents for you. See you in our next video. For now, goodbye.